Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a continuation of what I wanted to do with the hot drinks station. And as you can see right here, this was last week's video. I began preparing a sign for the station. Although I did not show the final result of the sign, the final result of part 1 and part 2 will be shown in part 3 of the series. The supplies you need are a glue gun, glue sticks, brushes, chalk paint of your choice in color. You see you have the candle stands, gloves, and your choice of pans that you wish to use. I began by using these pans that I no longer use and by gently applying the chalk paint on the top, bottom, and the sides of this particular pan here. Be sure to allow paint to dry in between coats. After I finished doing the top coat to the first pan, I began doing the first coat to the second pan. I continued painting until both pans were completely covered. Alright you guys, I don't know what was going on here. I got red dots here on the pan, and in the other pan there was some staining. I don't know what was going on, but eventually, after continuing to cover the pans several times with the chalk paint, the stuff that you saw going on did eventually disappear. I began painting the final coats for pan number 2. In total, I gave 4 coats of paint for each pan. Next, I began covering both candlesticks with the chalk paint. In the end, I ended up using 4 coats of the chalk paint to completely cover both candlesticks. In the final video, I will show you all how I decided to style the 2-tier caddy, as well as the sign that I designed in part 1 of the series. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for part 3 of the series.